So what is up, Turbo fam? We're back with another video on Turbo, and today we're going to be taking another look at what Turbo has been doing in the market recently. Again, not moving too much, but it is getting ready for the storm. We're going to be taking a look at why it still has huge potential even in the red days. So before we do actually start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen and taking a look at Turbo. It is down about 1% almost, and not too much, mostly just going sideways, as we could see. Priced at around 0.20 is 2293, market cap $158 million, and volume at $41 million, also down 53% from yesterday. But again, yesterday was a lot higher, and it's still at a pretty decent ratio, 26% volume to market cap ratio, which is again still pretty good. Turbo is known for its crazy volume to market cap ratio. When Turbo was reaching all-time highs right here, it was hitting almost $800-900 million in market cap every single day, which was absolutely crazy. And again, it is still known for these really good volume to market cap ratio. That means the coin is still active even in the red days. If we take a look at weekly, it is up around 4.79%, not too much, but again, our week has been mostly sideways. We did see this one big pump, so actually let's take a look at this on Deck Screener, and here we could take a better look at what's going on with the chart right now. Let's switch to a smaller time frame. Let's go to the hourly. So if we take a look at what it did right here, it did about a 21% jump in just about 17 hours, and again, that is still pretty good because we obviously do want to see the price go up. If we take a look at from the low to the high, it did go about 40%. Again, not too bad in about 11 days, so almost 1.5 weeks. So hopefully it does keep this up and it goes back to this really huge support range that we have for Turbo. And we talked about this in previous videos, that these are the two big support ranges for Turbo that we know. We obviously saw this higher one that has been hit a couple times, but again, this time it did actually break lower to this range right here, which was hit in the earlier stages of Turbo, and this lower range, which also was hit in earlier stages as well. So again, these are the two huge support ranges, but we don't have another support range that we could rely on in this range. So hopefully it does go back to this high range, so we could obviously bounce back up from there and the price starts moving again. Even if we just see this going back to previous all-time highs, let's take a look at that. That would be around a 544% gain, more than a 6x, just to go back to the all-time high. And obviously in this next bull run, it will be going above $1 billion in market cap. Again, this time it did reach about $990 million market cap, and in this next bull run it will most likely reach even higher than that, going above $1 billion in market cap. If we head back to Turbo right here, we could see something about the community sentiment is off. Obviously, we don't see a lot of votes coming in. If we take a look at the 7-day chart of the community sentiment, we see this going from 92% to 0.01% and to 0.94% and going back to 100%. So obviously this isn't accurate because the lack of votes. And if we just do bullish, it will obviously pump the community sentiment. 15 days, it has been fluctuating for some reason because we aren't getting as many votes. We could see earlier than that it was around 87-90%, and then I believe there has to be a glitch or something, and it did hit to about 1% and even lower than 1%, which obviously cannot be because of how many votes it has. And if we look at the number of votes, we have less than 100, which is obviously which is not true, because we definitely have more than that. Even if we look at the 30-day history, it has been more than more than 80-90% this whole time, and it dipped all of a sudden to 1% and even lower. So there has to be some kind of system glitch or something, but again, not something we could rely on for now. We can see Turbo is the revolution of smart contracts. Turbo has taken smart contract execution to the next level, to its high performance infrastructure. And obviously this is the more tech stuff. So we can see Turbo continuation of bullish momentum. Turbo is showing strong bullish momentum, breaking its key resistance levels and moving through the critical Fibonacci retracement zones. We could obviously see this Fibonacci zone right here that they are making, and they have broken through that as well. We could see Turbo is down until it's not anymore. So again, it will dip because of the market itself. We know the market isn't in great condition as well, but for today it is maybe and only a bit in the week, but overall monthly, even in the fear and greed, we're still in the fear in the market right now. So again, not doing too great, and Turbo is mostly just following the market. Weekly it is still up around 4%. Monthly, if we look at it, it is still down 33%, and it is most like other meme coins as well, because almost every coin is down by this percentages. It was just a red month for crypto, and it is just following the market trend for now. But again, hopefully it could make a comeback very soon. We could see Turbo is on every major exchange, and we trust in the team. Mankind is transparent, not like these other actors. If we look at the exchange listings of Turbo right here, I have this pulled up. 120 spot exchanges. That is no small deal. We see Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, most of the biggest exchanges in the market right now, and even smaller exchanges as well. And these are a huge part of what Turbo is and why Turbo still stands strong even in these markets. We have its collaboration with other companies as well. We could see Chainlink. We saw the turboswap.org, the Turbo's own centralized chain, and that is absolutely huge and future proof as well. So again, tons of things happening with Turbo that are likely keeping this up. 10 cents coming this year, buy and hold. The frog will build a future for those who are patient. So bullish, best meme coin, man. When this thing takes off, it will be absolutely crazy. We could see some people are also bearish on Toshi, and that is absolutely fine. Again, this is by no means financial advice. Do make sure to do your own research first before you enter in any of the meme coins. But if we look at why they're bearish, I'm bearish on Turbo by Fartcoin. So we could tell right off the bat this is a scam comment, because if you want to say that a coin is bearish, you're free to do so. But if you're calling one coin garbage and promoting other coins, that obviously means that you have some other sentiment, not against this coin but to promote the other coin. So obviously that is some kind of scam comment. We see I'm bullish on Turbo, and most of these other comments are bullish on Turbo as well. So we see the community really pushing this coin right now. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did take another look at Turbo, what it has been doing in the market recently. Not doing too much as of right now, but again getting ready to take off. To do make sure to stay strong during this time. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.